In this video, we will show you how to solve a problem you cannot extend your C drive on Windows 11. In here, in my case, my C drive on my Windows is approximately 34 gigabytes. I want to assign unallocated space into the C drive so the C drive become the bigger with the size. Okay, in here, let's see on our disk management. Okay, if you cannot open your disk management, maybe on Windows 11 the latest version, it's become create and format hard disk partitions menu in the control panel like this. And if you still difficult to find the disk management, you can open run in here and then type this mgmt.msc. It's also the same with that. Okay, in our case, when we need to add the approximately 30 gigabytes unallocated space into the C drive, in the C drive, when we try to right click and choose extend the volume, the menu is grayed out like this, so we cannot add the unallocated space to the C. Why it can happen? Because the unallocated space must next to be the C. Okay, so unallocated space must in here, so we can add the unallocated space into the C. In our case, we need to delete this partition. If between of your C and allocated space also have like this D or G or E, you must delete that and backup your files, or you can move to any your drive so your unallocated space to the next after the C drive in here. So in our case, we need to delete this recovery partition is approximately 726 megabytes. To do that, we need to open command prompt. Just type command prompt or cmd, and you need to run as administrator here and click yes. Okay, in here I will select the font to make it bigger. Okay, after that we need to type the command export, hit the enter. After this part is appear in here, you can see there, we can type the command again, is this to show the available disk on our Windows. After that, we need to select our disk 0 in here. In our case, select disk 0 to active on the disk 0. Now disk 0 is selected. After that, we need to see our list partition because we need to delete some partition. Okay, you can see there on our case the recovery is 726 megabytes approximately is in here. We need to active on this directory and then delete it. Now we need to select partition. On our case is partition 4. Okay, you can see there on our case is partition 4. Partition 4 is now the selected partition. After that, make sure this is the recovery is right and you can compare with this. Okay, after that we can delete them by typing delete. Okay, partition override. Okay, hit the enter. This part successfully delete the selected partition. Now you can see there the recovery with approximately 726 megabytes is gone. Now the unallocated space is the next after C. Okay, you can see there the partition after C is unallocated space. Once again, if your C and allocated space between them have this like D or E, you must delete it temporarily, and you can move or backup your files. After that, you can set unallocated space into the C. After that, in here we can right click again, voila, you can extend now the volume. Now you can click next. Okay, I will add the maximum here and click next and click finish. Now you are successfully extend or increase the size on your C drive on your Windows. That's all. Hope this video helpful for you.